He's trying to talk with a deep voice.
Why?
Yeah, that's right. Tell him.
Why?
Where's Mama?
Mama here.
Oh, why you sitting in the front?
What's wrong?
We're gonna go to the mountain.
Wow.
We're gonna walk up the mountain. You gotta be strong. Okay? You know waterfall? You know what a waterfall is? We're gonna, like this. We're gonna go up the mountain.
Go up mountain.
Yes. All right.
What happened?
Patrick is being a little butthead.
Because he wanted to sleep in the bed?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's like, I'm scared. You know what you were doing.
What are you scared of?
Patrick,
Yeah,
you ready?
ready.
Where are we going?
Mountain.
Mountain. We're gonna go look for some waterfalls.
Wow. Water.
Where Mama? Why you
Mama here.
Why are you in the front?
Mama here.
What did he?
He's trying to talk with a deep voice. Right, Patrick?
Act like
Why?
Yeah, that's right. Tell him.
Why?
Where's Mama?
Mama here.
Oh, why you sitting in the front?
What's wrong?
We made it to the waterfall. It's super, super hot. There goes Patrick. You ready, Patrick? Okay.
broken.
Yeah, it is very hot. You know why it's so hot?
Why?
Because it's gonna rain. That's why. Wait. Let me put my kiss here. Okay. Before we do anything, we're gonna go feed the fish. Don't play games. So it is 200 baht for foreigners, 40 for Thai people, 20 for little Thai people.
Same.
Same?
Yes.
Same like you?
Yes, same. I like you.
Oh, that's right.
Look here. Same.
It's the same.
Look here.
Here? Is that what we are?
Here.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're supposed to give this ticket to the military people in the front, but guess who didn't give his ticket? Yes,
Mama,
Joe,
here.
of course.
Oh,
Us. What's close? Oh, the coffee camp.
He'll follow you?
There you go. That's a good husband right there.
water.
Oh, be careful, Patrick. Jump. You gotta jump, Patrick.
It's okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Patrick, this is where we got water shoes. Get him in the water.
Water shoes.
Okay?
Money.
See, no problem. Look. See, look. Look. Here, look. You see? There, no problem.
No problem.
This is the shoes for this. No problem.
Water shoes. You can go like this, okay?
And it is so hot. What do you think? Like 30, 32 temperature?
Yeah, I think 30.
Feels
or
very,
31.
yeah, it feels very humid.
But when we walk into the jungle, it doesn't feel like that hot
No,
because, you know,
the water, the
water,
trees. Yeah, it feels really nice. There's the river from the waterfall.
Look.
Patrick is so brave. He's already in the front.
You gotta walk past. He don't know how to do videos yet.
And Patrick is leading the way. Wow.
Good job. Chập xiếc, chập xiếc.
Give me your hand.
Chang,
You got it? Give me your hand.
I'm Chang.
Oh, you're strong?
Yes, yes.
Okay, go for it.
สำหรับปวดหัว
Oh, mommy there.
Mommy scared? Patrick is not scared?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Dad, you're gonna get caught.
See, Pat. Wow. Patrick is not scared anymore.
Yes, you got it.
Wow.
Look, water.
Oh, it looks so nice.
Look, water here.
Okay, jump on the water. That's okay. Yeah, put your feet in the water. No problem. Go ahead. Wow. Look at Uncle Joe. See that? Follow Uncle Joe.
Mama. Look what's in there.
When we go up there,
Uh-huh.
Water shoes.
or the people or whatever can come back here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Look, see, let's jump on here. Looks so nice.
Yeah, we can hang out here. It's okay.
Yeah.
Look at Patrick.
โอเคเย็นไหมคะ
He's not scared.
เย็นไหมไม่เย็น
Wow, Patrick. Who is this little kid? Look out, look out. Patrick want to be in the front.
Yeah.
You lead the way.
There you go.
Go ahead, follow him. So you can-
Thanks, bro. You want to look at the water? Come on. Wow. Look at those people, Patrick. Look. Look. Uh-oh, be careful. And this time is actually the perfect time to come to the waterfalls because it's rainy season, so we get so much water. You trying to catch it? Oh, they're right there, right there, right there. You see it? Patrick's trying to catch the fish. Oh, that's a big one right there. It's a big fish. Yeah. But yeah, come to Cochan. I will say come in rainy season so you can enjoy the waterfalls for sure. They're not waiting for us. We gotta go, Patrick. Tell Uncle Joe, wait for me. Wow, there's so much water. So cool. I'm gonna beat Patrick. I'm gonna go first. I'm going.
No.
going.
No.
Oh, Patrick, look, come here. Look at the fish.
Wow.
Let's go see. Get your shoes. This way. Go ahead. Over here, Patrick. Look, there's many over there. Right here. Patrick, look. Right here.
放下一点可以，那个高了抓不住。
Almost. They're so fast. You're too slow. This way, Patrick. Don't go that way. Right here. Oh, you almost got it.
He is gonna love the waterfall.
Wait
There's way more
for
fish up there.
Patrick, slow down. Slow down นะคะ
No. This side, Patrick. This side. Yes.
Steps. There you go.
Grab the rope.
Yeah. Too far up the step.
We were kind of worried that Patrick was gonna freak out over the fish because there's a lot of fish, and you can they swim right next to your legs and your feet. So we were so worried that Patrick was gonna freak out, but nope. This is the opposite. He's actually trying to catch him. And he has no fear, like he's just moving. This is so unlike him. Come here, Patrick. Look at this.
Okay, you're strong. Come on. What is
Wow. Oh, they're not letting people in the waterfall because
ให้เราเนี่ยใจจะ
it's too strong. That's where we go. This not all the way to the waterfall, but this big rock right here. But today the current is too strong. That's why they're not letting people swim.
That's why everybody's playing.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's what everybody's over there hanging out.
Oh, that's I mean, beautiful.
Yeah, it is what it is. We're gonna go back down and look for a place where we can get in the water. Let's go swim, Patrick, a little bit. Oh, this way, this way. This way, Patrick. Hold up, okay? Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Okay, give me your hand. Good boy. You got it. Wow. Wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me. Walk on this side, walk inside like this. Don't walk on the edge. Uncle Joe got you.
ตรงๆเลย6 7 2ถูกปะถูกไว้ฉันซื้อข้างหลังฉันไม่ได้ซื้อข้างหน้า
You ready to swim, Patrick? Okay. We're going down here. Go swim. Just gotta be careful, okay? Uh-oh. Wow.
โอเค โอเค
Okay. Come this way. Don't go on the edge.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we can go right there if you want, or over there.
I think down even further.
Over there?
That's more private.
Oh, way over there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I think for him, that's the best.
Yeah.
You professional
And we made it. This is the area we're gonna get in. Go swim. Patrick is ready. Look at Patrick. He's trying to get a fish. That's what he wants. You're gonna get it? Oh. You gotta be faster. Be careful with the rocks, okay? Patrick, don't go there. Just stay on this side. This water is nice and cold. Look at Mama. Ja wants me to take a video of her underwater, but she's a little bit scared. So
a little bit
he said not a little bit. We're trying to get over her fear.
Swim to me, Alex. It's probably better. Can you get to your left a little bit? She has a clear path.
Right here. You got it, Ja, you got it.
Just go under and come to me. yourself down.
What am I gonna do? Oh, yeah, okay. 'Cause you.
I'm a dolphin.
It's gonna.
Yeah, we okay?
It's gonna swim.
Hold on a minute.
Why you go under? He's scared. He don't see you. You think you?
No, come on. Come on. Right here.
Dưới đây you, khá thương you. Để. Dưới đây you look.
You almost get it. Get it. Get it.
Yeah.
What is that gonna do?
Here, look. See, turn here. You see? You see, mommy? Turn here, turn right here. You see yourself? You see Patrick? You see?
Yeah.
Okay. You take a
Alright, we're gonna get out of here. It was a great time. Patrick does not want to leave. We were shocked. We were shocked how brave he was. You were so brave, Patrick. Get him dry first. Anyways, come to this waterfall. Even if the main area of the waterfall is not going to be open, there's a lot of spots like this area. This is one of them. There's like another one down there. There's more down the river, down there. So there's a lot of spots where you can come and swim and hang out. So yeah, even if the main area is closed like it was today, it's still going to be a lot of fun. Anyways, let's get out of here. Let's go to the front. Let's hike back to the main entrance. I'm taking your chips. Let me get those chips. Let me get them. Oh, let me get them. Let me get those chips. Wow. Yes. It's the water from the waterfall. Come on. We gotta go home. I bought me some pineapple shorts because I didn't bring extra shorts and I'm super wet. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, dislike, do whatever you want to do. Until next time.
Yeah.